Is your Xbox One S controller experiencing issues like stick drift, unresponsive buttons, or does it need servicing? In this step-by-step video, we'll show you how to disassemble, clean, repair, and reassemble your controller to get it working like new again. With the help of a T8 screwdriver, remove 4 screws, 2 under each side panel, and 1 screw in the middle. Once done, remove the front panel. Clear dust is visible inside the controller. Remove the rubber analog sticks by simply pulling them upwards. As we can see that there is a lot of dust accumulated in the analog sticks. This is causing the stick drift that we do not want. So, apply some WD-40 for the cleaning and move the sticks in a circular fashion to ensure that all parts of the stick receives the WD-40 magic. Move the sticks until you are sure that WD-40 is in contact with the analog sticks completely. Leave it for a while so that applied WD-40 can do the cleaning. Once it is clean and dry, put the front plate back on. Subsequently, tighten the 4 screws to put the side plates on. The stick drift has now been eliminated. It is that easy to fix the stick drift in your controller. Thanks for watching.